Thank you, Jimmy. What the f is going on over here? Cause what the f is going on over here? Yeah, I don't care. I'm a spy. What the heck is going on with me? I'm just a fucking guy. Cause that's that. Yo, what's up? You're just like, yeah, what's up? I am Cal. I'm a very spy. Yo, what's up, my main dudes? I don't give a fuck. Yeah, I don't give a fuck to you. I thought your mom. Oh my god! I love your mama because I love your mama because you're a fucking bad guy because you're just a bad guy. That's goodbye. Hey, can we have our skins? Yeah, we can. You can have our skins. Cause you have these. Okay, thank you. Oh god, I can have this shit. I'm a really bad guy. What the hell is going on with me? Carl, don't you dare have a. He's mine. He's a fucking kid. He's really high. He's got a friend named Carl. Who's really cool and afraid of shit. I'm a fucking spy. What the fuck is going on?